Here we have the Samsung washing machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. You can check the serial number here. You can open the door, load the clothes, and close the door. Then open this drawer here and load here for normal detergent, here for pre-washing detergent, and here for the softener. You can then press the power button to turn it on. Rotate this knob to choose which program to wash your clothes with, and then you can select the temperature here, the rinse here, and change the spin here also. Once it's done, you can select play to start the program.